Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for clicking onto this video. I hope you click that subscribe button as well. Okay, I'm gonna say the main obvious things. 1, I'm wearing no makeup. 2, my outfit doesn't match. 3, I am sick. 4, unless you're new here then this wouldn't be obvious to you, but my eyebrows are looking a bit crazy at the moment. Reason being is literally yesterday I got them done. I have got them tattooed. These are tattooed eyebrows and they're still swollen. They are still sore, like it hurts to move. Like it's just so tender. The moment they're looking a bit bold, dark and crazy, like in your face, but it will die down. In about 2 weeks I'll see the proper results. But I will go into a video about that when I've gone through everything, I've got the end result, and I'll let you know my little process with that. So yeah, throughout January I have been clearing out and sorting out my life basically, and I have been putting off doing my wardrobe basically because I don't like letting things go. It's Sunday, I couldn't be bothered to put makeup on. I actually can't because of my eyebrows, and I just thought let's just do a chilled video helping me clear out my wardrobe. So that's what we're doing today. I'll do a little video quickly now to show you exactly what my wardrobe looks like at the moment. So this is what one wardrobe looks like. This is kind of like my main one where I put all my clothes in. That box there has like belts in. But yeah, as you can see, full to the brim, and I've also got 3 what are they called, cupboards, drawers, chest of drawers. The top one has underwear, bikini, stuff like that. The middle one, I've got to be honest, I don't even know what's in there. I really need to clear that out. And then the last one has jeans and trousers. And yeah, so I might as well just go straight in and try and get rid of some stuff. I'll probably do it in charity stuff, things that definitely need to throw away, and stuff that I will probably maybe sell. I never really tried Depop. I did it once, I didn't understand it. Maybe after this, if you see anything you like, let me know and I might, you know, try out doing a little Depop. Let's just jump in. I can't even push it. Oh, come on, move. I love this play suit. I got it from Primark. I absolutely love it. I wore it so much in the summer and I feel like I'll definitely wear it more in the summer. Obviously I can't wear it now because it's currently snowing. Another play suit from Primark, but I felt kind of fat in it. Like it was very tight here around my thighs and I didn't feel that comfortable in it. Plus I felt like if I moved too much I'd probably like split my ass or something, like ass will be on show. So I think I will put this in the charity shop. I always feel rude in like selling Primark stuff because it's like so cheap that I feel rude to like sell it. But if you like it, let me know. If any of these stuff that I said is Primark that you like, let me know, because then I will. But I just feel rude selling Primark stuff, so I'd rather just give it to the charity shop, you know. I got this in a, what's it called, everything £5 haul. I don't like it. It's why I still got the tag on, I haven't worn it. I love the collar. Collar's a bit of me, but I felt like it's like maternity wear, you know? Like I just felt like a tent. And because it's everything £5, I'll put it in the charity shop. This is inside out, but it's literally just a plain purple, like, longish top. I got it from New Look. I actually still wear this. I actually wear it to work when I shouldn't. I wear it, and then I wear, like, leggings. And I look like I'm going to the gym and not work, but I don't care, because who's impressing anyone at work? Not me. So, I'll probably keep that. Ooh, this red top. I used to wear this all the time. It's from Boohoo. I think I had it in black and white. I don't know if I still have those ones. But it's too big for me. It's too big and you can't adjust the straps. Like, my bra is forever showing. So maybe because of that, I'll put it in the for sale pile. Where's this from? Forever 21. I actually love this jumper. Love the colour. Is this the 3/4 length one? Yeah, I think it is. It is a bit small like here, but I love it so much and I constantly wear it for work, so I'm gonna keep it. As you can see, I haven't worn this in a while because it's proper creased up. Again, this is a Primark jumper. I ain't gonna wear this. I ain't gonna wear it for work, so. Charity! I loved this jumper, but I stained it like a dickhead. So, that can just go in the bin. This is another jumper that I wear for work. I'll keep it in a maybe pile because it's literally just a plain one. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to get rid of it. Like, it's old. It's like so old. I've had it for years. So I don't know why I'm holding on to it. Like, come on, let go. Ain't even that nice, you know? I got this in a recent I Saw It First haul. I literally got it at like Boxing Day, so it's still new. You might still be able to get it. I'll put the link down below to the haul that I did. But I haven't worn it yet. It's still got the tags. I haven't had a chance to, so I'm going to keep that, obviously. Oh, I forgot I had this. It's just a plain pink, like, shirty t-shirt kind of thing. And it's from Primark. But it's like, was perfect for work. Mate, I could wear this with leggings. Like, why haven't I worn this? It's inside out, but it's also got, like, cute little button detail here. Hey, keeping that. This is, like, a little crop jumper. It is super cute, but it's just so itchy. Like, the material is just way too itchy for me. So, charity shop. I'm not going to sell it to someone else for them to just feel like itchy mess, am I? Because that's just being mean. Oh, I do still have the white one. Mate, I ain't worn this in ages. Again, it's too big. Like, they were too big, but I was just being a little hoe and was like, everyone can see my bra, I don't care. I remember I bought this years ago with my mate Sammy in New Look. And it is super cute. I used to always wear this with like this little blue skirt. I don't even know if I still have the blue skirt anymore. And I used to look like I was like going for tennis. Mate, I wore that outfit when I was like at my first job. I think I was like 19. I think it's time to let go. I think it's like a size 6 as well. Bitch ain't a size 6 no more, I can tell you that. I really like this jumper. Even though I look about 12 in it. I think I got it from Misguided, yeah. Joe hates it. Joe literally hates this jumper, and there's a t-shirt that I wear for like slouching that he hates as well, that he actually threw out. And then he saw me wearing it and he was like, I thought I threw this away. And I was like, sorry. But I probably won't wear this jumper much. Not because of him, but because I feel so young in it. Joe's gonna be so happy that I got rid of that. It's just like a little shirt with a little, what's that called? Is it a Peter Pan collar? Is that what it's called? I don't know, but it's literally just a little shirt, and it's got like these little like fish scales, I would say. I don't know, a little fringy bit, but it's actually nice for work, so I'll probably keep it for like summer, because I've got to remember summer's coming up. Oh, I used to love this. Like, I wore this to death, like this with like a pair of black, what are they called, like Ross pants, like leather pants or like disco pants, and like heels. This was my outfit for a night, for like constant. But I think it's time to let go now. I love this shirt. I got it from Primark and I love how I look in it. But when the first time I wore it, I like threw up all over it. I got like a 24-hour bug and I literally just went I threw up all on it. And I was like, because I always, every time I get something nice, regardless if it's cheap or expensive, that I really love, they just become bad luck on me. Like one time when I was like 15, I think, maybe even younger, I had a lot 29, was it lot 29, lot 79, lot 69? It was those Looney Tune tracksuits that everyone used to own, and I had a Sylvester one and I loved it to death, but it became like my bad luck tracksuit because I would just spill everything on it every time I wore it. Like, it was destined to be ruined. One time I got a shirt and I just got oil all over it. This one I threw up. Like, every time I like something, I just can't own nice things. But I'm definitely keeping this one. Anyway, long story short, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping this, but I'm never wearing it. But it's a little Minion top, and it was from like my old work, like my first work. Oh, I love that team to death. And we had like, we did like a mascot like team thing back in work, and the Minions was ours, and it was just so cute, and I'm keeping it just for sentimental reasons. Primark top, love it. This is actually, I think Joe said that this is like one of my favorite tops that I own, that he likes me on. Keeping it. This is like a long New York Manhattan, like it's literally like so long. Oh look, you can see my bra. I think you're meant to tie it up in like a knot, and that's the style of it. Turns out I don't like that style of me, and I did try tucking it in, but then it just looked like I had like big nappy on, so I'll probably just give that to charity. This shirt, Forever 21. It is slightly tight, but I can wear it maybe open because I do think it's cute. Keep it for now. Oh no, I did have it. Turns out I kept all of those Boohoo ones, but I actually cut the tag off of this one because the label was so itchy. Do you think I can still sell it? inside out again. Literally all my clothes are literally just inside out. This is like a jumper roll neck from Pretty Little Thing. I do really like it, but it is tight on me, like it's tight around my neck, and I do feel slightly choking. But I do have other roll necks, so I guess I can let go of this one. God, this is an old shirt. I do really like it, but it's so old and I think it's a bit tight on the arms. I could use it for one of those, like a sexy scene, you know, in bed. Be like, just rip it off. I'm considering it. I'm gonna keep it. I might use it for that. Ah, the Armani top that I got. I don't know if I like it though. I'll have to try it on again because I think it looked a bit wonky. It's freaking heavy, I'm gonna be honest. Mate, it's heavy. I'll have to try that one on. I wear this all the time. It's just a black top with a gold chain. It's a size 6. But I do wear it all the time still. To the point where the chains have actually broken and I've had to clip them back on. Screw it. I always wear it. Ah, Beauty and the Beast. A tale as old as time. Why did it take me long to figure out what that said when I knew obviously what it says? Whatever this is stained as anything. So let's throw this out. Just a plain black top. Should really invest in some others, you know? Like stuff like that where it's like old and tatty, stained, that costs probably about £2.50 in Primark, but here I am holding on to it. Ah, this crop top. This crop top, I know it's a size 6, but I was in love with this top. Like, in love. Like, my boobs looked like proper pushed up and yummy in them because, one, it was way too tight, and it's got like padding, it's got like wire in it. Might be able to squeeze into it. I should really get rid of it. Oh, no, I'm really not going to fit in it, and I'm probably going to have like really pudge. Girl, get rid of it. You can't fit in it anymore. That's the hardest let go I've had to do. I forgot about this. I love this Harry Potter top. So that's all the t-shirts and shirts and whatnot. I'm on to skirts now. This should be pretty easy because I literally only wear like 3 skirts. This is from Forever 21 and it is technically too small for me, and it does rise and my ass is all on show, but I love it, so I'm keeping it because I'm a hoe. Misguided, long, plain black. Is it like a bodycon skirt? I wear this for work all the time. Trust me, this makes you look sophisticated as hell and your ass looks bomb in it. Not gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I have 2 of the same skirt. One I'm holding on for I've got another one in here that I'm holding on for sentimental reasons. This is literally, like, look at the difference, right? I loved this, like, this pleatedness, but look how freaking short it is. Can you see the type of hoe I was? Like I was a big hoe. Girl, get rid of it. Get rid of it. You ain't gonna wear this again. For my fellow hoes, this one is a little bit more sensible. And I do wear it for work, so. This is from New Look. I don't think it's gonna be too short. I never wear it. It's been in there for so long and I just never wear it. So let's just get rid. I think this still has the tag on it. No, it doesn't. Misguided. I bought this the same time I bought the black one, which was, I have no idea how long ago it was. Like, it was a long time and I've never worn it. It's the same, but it's just in white. But why would I buy a white skirt? Because I'm the worst when it comes to staining. I'm never ever gonna wear it. Oh, I love this skirt. Should wear this more. Oh, you have a blue skirt. Bitch, why did you buy a blue skirt? What is it? Oh, it's a slitty one. It's from Forever 21. I'm gonna get rid of it though. I ain't never gonna wear it. Didn't even know I had it. Ah, the other hoe skirt. I was in love with this skirt. When I tell you I was in love, I was in love. Look how short it was. I was such a hoe. Like, such a hoe. Oh, I love it so much. But it's gotta go. It's gotta go. Any other fellow hoe out there? If you want this, you can have it. I love it so much. I need to buy myself some more pleated skirts because I do love that look. Blazers now. And I'll be honest, I'm probably going to get rid of most of these because I don't wear blazers. I love the look on it on other people, but I just can't pull it off. This Pretty Little Thing. It's like a little throw on. Not going to wear it. Never worn it. Let's get rid of it. I did used to wear this one a lot of times. I thought it was nice to add just like a pop of colour to like a black outfit. But I'm not gonna wear it. Right, it's just not me. They're too long as well. Like, I realised I didn't like long blazers. I like short croppy ones. The long ones are gonna have to go. This one I actually will keep. I think I also have it in black maybe, and I'll keep that one as well because it is shorter. You see, it's not as long, and that's what I prefer that look. See, here's the black one, which is just the same as like the creamy one that I'll keep because I'm more likely to wear this one than a longer one. So what's the difference between this one and this one? I've got two. Did I just buy the same one twice? What do I keep? This one has a button. Okay, this one I feel like is a bit more for work wise. I feel like it's a little bit smarter. It has the button in there. So we'll keep this one for work. But this one, I feel like it's slightly a bit more cash. So if I'm going for like a nice dinner, I'm gonna wear this one. I'm not gonna wear it. But I'm gonna keep it. Hey! There you go. All that space I've got. So that is the first part of my clearing out my wardrobes. I think I'll do, because there's so many dresses in the other one, I'm gonna do it as a two-part. So on Thursday you can see all my like evening dresses, jumpsuits, like more going outy stuff that I will be clearing out. If you like this video and you like more of these kind of like clearing out stuff, do let me know because I have so much I need to clear out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I upload videos every Monday and Thursday, and I shall see you next time. Bye. So like, I'm trying to wear it with a jumper, like it's gonna work. See, look, it's too tight now. Look how stupid I look. Okay, now I gotta get out.